Hello, welcome back to SAP Business One Tips channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to do period and closing in SAP Business One. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, so SAP Business One Tips channel will grow. First, open Administration. Choose Utilities. Then choose Period and Closing. Input parameter from to. Then fill Retained Earning Account and Period and Closing Account. After that, click Execute button. Fill the Ref1 remarks field, due date and document date. After that, click Execute button. Now open your journal entry. That will be created new journal entry on your system. Next step, go to Fiscal Year Change. Then choose Year From. Okay, thanks for watching the video SAP tips from us. If you want to watch more tips video, please click the link above. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Also turn on the bell button so you can get notifications for the latest videos from us. Bye. See you in the next video.